Hello and welcome to How Logical. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can enable a private account on TikTok. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, what you need to do is open up TikTok on your phone. Then you can see profile on the bottom right hand corner. Go ahead and tap on it, and you can see the three lines on the top. Go ahead and tap on this and go to settings and privacy. The first thing you want to do is go to account, and if you're set to a business account, go ahead and switch it to personal account. Tap on switch anyway, and you can see you have switched to personal account. Now let's go ahead and make our account private. You can go back and you can see privacy right under account. Go ahead and tap on privacy, and you can see the private account option. So go ahead and enable this, and you can see that with a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. So you can just go ahead and enable this, and your account is now private. So guys, I hope this video about how you can enable your private account on TikTok was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.